Alright, so on this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to fix start button on Miracle Books. Just follow my steps. So we're going to have to open the Miracle Box here. Wait for it. It's taking long to load. Okay, there it is, it's coming. His love and His love has been unleashed. It's unleashed. So as you can see, the power button is just silent here. You can press on it no matter how you click, connect, whatsoever. So the solution is the simplest solution ever. Like, you just have to change the time here. You see, it's in 2020. So you click here, then you go on time, adjust time, date, and whatsoever. So we're going to change the date back in 1991. Change it. If your internet is on, switch it off. Okay, cross it and click connect. There you go. The power button on is now fixed. There you go, you can flash any phone. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment my channel. MTS Solution Tech.